So Javianne Oliver beat Sha'Carri Richardson in Italy. All right, that is the headline coming from worldtrack.org. All right, it says Javianne Oliver defeated Sha'Carri Richardson in the women's 100 meters at meeting in Città de Padova World Athletic Continental Tour on Sunday. The meeting was held at the Stadio Calbacini, Padova, Italy. Oliver, who is coming off a sixth place finish at the 2021 Prefontaine Classic in Oregon earlier this month, ran 11.19 seconds for the victory to defeat Richardson, who ran the same time when finishing in second place. So it was a close, slow race. You understand? Um, the US athletes, however, did well. They swept the top four spots with young talent Candice Hill posting 11.26 for third, English Gardner getting fourth in 11.36, Jamaica's Olympic 4x100 relay gold medalist Brianna Williams ran 11.44, all right, for fifth. So a very slow race, not the highest quality competition, no disrespect, but there are levels, and this is what I keep telling you people. But I find it strange that this is a race that Sha'Carri should be winning easily. um there's no reason why she shouldn't be coming out on top of this field. Yes, she's had a month off, but that is not an excuse. You understand? She's what, 3 races in now, and running sometimes that are, how you go from 10.7s, 10.8s to 11.19s, 11.18s. Um, that don't make sense. You understand? And um, there are several theories to this, but I'll just leave that alone. Anyway, guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments. And remember, like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. All right?